Good morning. How's everybody in YouTube doing? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm at home right now. Give me I'm at home right now. I'm in bed. And it is freezing. Matter of fact, I could probably get under the covers. I am... It's cold. We're at my home here in the area of Central Texas. I actually live here in Austin, but just in the western part of Austin. I normally don't make a video like this, but it's cold outside. As you would well know, and if you live in Texas, you're probably in the same situation that I am now. The house has no electricity. We had this humongous storm that came by. It's a severe winter storm. It pretty much knocked out all the power. 4.3 million Texans are without power right now. I haven't had power for the past 2 days since the storm arrived, and I am at home. I just got off of work. You all know that I work at night. I just got home, stopped by Circle K and just picked up one little taco just to eat because I knew I wasn't going to get breakfast at home. There's no electricity. There's no electricity, so there's no light in the kitchen. The stove is electric, so we can't cook anything. And I picked up a little taco at the Circle K that's close by to me and brought it home. So anyways, it's starting to warm up because I'm under the covers. I'm under the covers of the bed. We had a very quiet night. Temperatures came down here in Austin, what was it, about 14, 15? Yeah, about 15. But overall, we didn't have any major accidents or anything that I could know of. I was monitoring the Weather Channel and the news, and people got the idea that they need to stay away from the freeways. Anyways, this is the first time I ever do a video at home under the covers in bed. It won't be long before I crash out because I took a methanol pill. It's a natural capsule or a pill that makes you go to sleep. And that's going to have to work because when I was at the Circle K, I actually picked up a cup of hot cocoa. And for some reason or another, hot cocoa doesn't react very well. It'll make me stay awake. So the idea was for me to just warm my body up, and as soon as I get home, eat that taco real quick, brush my teeth, and head on to bed. Well, I'm under the covers, and I want to wish everybody a good day. Today's Tuesday, the 16th, or what is it? I don't know if it's the 15th or 16th. I can barely read it off my watch. Maintain that special social distancing and y'all take care of each other. Anyways, we'll see the next story. I think this pill's starting to kick in already. As I'm starting to get drowsy. Wow, that pill's really hitting it. That pill's really working. I can barely keep my eyes open. So anyways, y'all have a good day. And I am falling asleep. I'm gonna say good night or good morning to all of you, and I'm gonna go ahead and crash out. Like, I was already passing out. Can't believe it. I still had the camera on. As I said, this is not an everyday occurrence that I make a video in bed already under the covers. Y'all have a good day and God bless.